Hi, welcome to Zero Budget Gardening. Today I will show you how I grew tomatoes from the store-bought tomatoes. I didn't know there are hundreds of variety of tomatoes until I moved to Italy. I never saw an yellow or purple tomato when I grew up in India. This tomato was going bad. Instead of throwing it, I decided to pick up some seeds. You can choose a tomato which impressed you by its taste. I planted many varieties of tomato seedlings by this method. Now I have many more tomato plants than I can accommodate in my balcony. Tomato is one of the easiest vegetable to grow if you are a beginner. See this tomato? It's full of seeds. Now I am going to scoop off all the seeds to this tissue paper and let it dry. I will give you some tomato growing tips. Tomato plants need a lot of sun when they grow up, even when they are little babies. Also, another thing you have to remember is when you plant the tomato babies, you have to bury them deep so that the stem also goes under the soil so that it can make a strong plant. The stem also start producing more roots. Always remember to remove the bottom leaves of the tomato plant. If the leaves touch the soil, they can create fungus problems. Tomato plants are generally very thirsty. Water them regularly. While my tomato seeds are drying, I am planting some chilies. This variety doesn't make a tall chili plant, but it makes a lot of chilies. Now the seeds are dry and can be separated and picked up very easily. I will bring some soil to plant them. The seeds need a lot of humidity to grow, so it's better to close in the first week. We have a lot of more seeds left. I am putting them in this box. I am going to let it germinate inside this box. Wet it slightly with water and put it in the box and close it and keep it somewhere there is not a lot of sun. Less than a week you will see the germination and then you can move to the soil. I usually do this method just to check the germination rate of the seeds. This is another batch I planted a couple of weeks ago. Now few of them are ready to transplant. I put 10 seeds in here, out of which 5 or 6 came up. I am not very good in transplanting plants. However, I don't kill them usually. I'm moving this plant also to an area where I have a lot of tomato plants. It's all in my little balcony. As we are in the first floor, we don't have a garden or anything to plant. But I still plant some vegetables in the common area. I planted some potatoes and pumpkins in the ground. They are really growing good because in the ground they get more sun. Always remember to water thoroughly just after the planting. Also water them twice if they are under the direct sunlight. They need full day sunlight. Don't water them on the leaves. All these plants are grown from the seeds. They started flowering around 6 weeks after transplanting. We didn't have enough sun during this period. Once the sunny days started, they are flowering like crazy. If you are enjoying my video, keep watching and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button and give me a like as well. Also, please share your opinion as a comment. I will be delighted if you share this video with your friends and family who enjoy gardening. I'm growing some tomatoes from the cuttings of bigger tomato plants. I took a sucker branch from here to make another plant, but this time I am growing this branch in water. I just put it in the water today, but in few weeks it will have a lot of roots. I have made many plants this way, but they all are in the soil. This is the first time I'm using hydroponic method. There are a few more tomato seedlings are ready to transplant. Unfortunately, there is no space in my balcony yet, but I will find some space soon, probably in the ground. Some tomato plants already started fruiting. They look very cute and I feel very happy when I see these tomatoes. I feel very proud. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Stay tuned for my next video on avocados. I hope you have already watched the video on how I grew pumpkins and melons from the seeds of the fruit. I also grew different types of beans from store-bought dry beans. I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope you will leave your comments so that I can improve my video. Also, please subscribe to my channel and like so that it will it means a lot and it motivates me a lot. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video.